Narrator, have you ever been overwhelmed by the incredible amount of data available to you? Feeling lost in a sea of numbers and statistics? Narrator, well, fear no more. Introducing Demystifying Data, a beginner's journey with Google Analytics. Narrator, in this beginner's guide, we will take you on a journey to demystify the power of data with Google Analytics. Narrator, whether you're a business owner, a marketing professional, or just curious about website performance. Narrator, Google Analytics is the tool that can provide valuable insights into your online presence. Narrator, you'll learn how to navigate through the platform, track key metrics, and make data-driven decisions to improve your website's performance. Narrator, will show you how to create custom reports to get the specific information you need. Narrator, you'll also discover how to set up goals and segments, unlocking even more powerful tools to understand your audience. Narrator, and we won't forget about analysis. We'll cover the basics of data analysis, so you can uncover trends and make informed decisions. Narrator, by the end of this journey, you'll be able to confidently navigate the world of data using Google Analytics, no longer feeling overwhelmed or lost. Narrator, so join us and embark on this beginner's journey to demystify data with Google Analytics.